To connect a Trust Wallet to a Coinbase account, start by opening the Trust Wallet and clicking on the Settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol, at the top of the screen. From the Settings page, select the Wallets option, which will display all available wallets. Choose the wallet to be connected to Coinbase by clicking on the corresponding option, often represented by 3 dots. Then, select the Manual option, which will provide access to the secret key phrase by opening the recovery phrase key. Next, open the Coinbase wallet, and if already logged in, log out. Alternatively, reinstalling the Coinbase wallet will also provide the necessary option. Click on the I already have a wallet option. Then select Recovery Phrase and choose to enter manually. Paste the 12-word recovery phrase into the designated area and click the Continue button. Completing these steps will import the Trust Wallet into the Coinbase account.